Getting along can be tough at any age, but especially when young minds are still developing. So, when conflict happens or a class wants to connect better, Queensbury educators work to improve relationships and repair harm with restorative practices. Restorative practices in Queensbury focus on the 4 R's: relate, rethink, repair, and restore. Each of the 4 Queensbury school buildings include age-appropriate restorative practices, such as restorative circles, which are used to reflect on various classroom topics and build a stronger school community. Conversations with students and mediation between peers actively involve students in the restorative process, so they understand the harm done and view the outcome as more just. Those who have been harmed are invited in a safe environment to share how the harm affected them. This voluntary process better supports them in healing. Meanwhile, students who caused the harm are still held accountable for their choices and must face appropriate consequences. But with restorative practices, they learn to make things right by repairing the harm and rebuilding the trust. Restorative practices may not be the answer for all situations, but they are powerful tools for educating students and creating a positive school environment. Learn more about restorative practices at queensburyschool.org/restore.